What is up, Wretched Nation? Today we're doing an unboxing video. Happy July 4th. If you're watching this when it comes out, it is Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. I got this for my birthday, so we're going to open it up, do an unboxing video, and see what I got. Alright, so I got this for my birthday the other day. Birthday is June 26th, by the way. Let's see what we got and what is in the box. Alright. Let's move that out of the way. Now, for the record, I have opened this, but I didn't undo anything. It is exactly how I got it. You got a little manual in there, a little bit of foam, but alright. So this is a Simpson Outlaw Bandit modular. Nice little bag. Let's open her up. Alright. There we go. Video over. Nah, we got the, I forget exactly what it's called. I'll have it linked in the description, I'm sure. But it's a special edition of the Hellfire. The Hellfire edition. There you go. Look at that. This helmet's actually kind of, it feels light for being a modular. It's got a lot of different vents. You've got your little front vents right there, vents right there, vents up there. This is my first modular. I have tried on a few. My wife has a modular. I forget what brand hers is. It's a cheaper one. But I've tried the Harley modular, and every single time, like, my chin hits the front part in here. Not the chin strap, but actually like the front part of the helmet. I don't know if I just got a weird face or a weird situation, but I was at a Harley shop, tried one of these on, because they're starting to, a lot of Harley shops are starting to carry these, and I was able to try them on, try different sizes, and I was like, oh man, this is perfect. It fits great. Chin doesn't hit that front part. So I'm like, okay. I was also a little worried, me wearing glasses, if the little visor in the front would hit, but it doesn't. It does pretty good. So let's see what we have. This does have a nice like chin guard. It's actually feels like it's put in there very nicely. That's kind of nice. I do like that the vents in the front, you can open and close them. My last helmet, I could not do that. The visors, I have looked. The visors on this thing are a little expensive. But let's finally take this sticker off. I've been waiting to do this so I can do it on film, because I haven't even worn it yet. But that's a good looking helmet right there. Good looking helmet. Like I said, I've been wanting one for a while, but I kind of wanted the modular. They're not cheap. I don't know specifically how much this was because it was a gift, but I know they're like the $550 range. There's definitely cheaper helmets out there, cheaper modulars. I mean, you can get a regular Simpson that's not a modular, you know, for way cheaper. But the construction on this is pretty nice. The foam feels good. Everything is definite, you know, kind of top notch here. Let's put it on. Let's put it on without opening it up, see how it feels, because I don't think I've ever done that. Alright, hopefully you can hear me. I definitely don't think it's designed to be put on that way, because my whole like bridge of the nose kind of hit. But all right, I don't know if you're supposed to do that. Probably not. Yeah, you're probably not supposed to do that, so don't do that. I guess if you push it back, make sure the visor's down. But very comfortable helmet. It does have like more cheek space compared to the Biltwell I had. The Biltwell 2X and this 2X are not the same. For me, the Biltwell 2X is pretty tight on the face. This one's actually pretty loose on the face. This isn't a comparison video. That's just the helmet I've been wearing for a long time, and that's why I really wanted to try these on, because the Biltwell at first was almost a little too small. Don't get me wrong, your boy needs to lose a little weight, so I understand. Got some fat cheeks. But the 2X here is nice and comfy, and maybe it just being a modular, like not having that pressure coming all the way down, maybe that, you know, loosens it up a little bit. But yeah, everything seems to be made pretty well. I would hope so for $550. The beard does get in the way a little bit, but you know, that's a me problem. This is a little close to the face, but I'm not used to it. I don't like it if it hits my nose. But let's test it out. Yeah, the shade does not hit that, so that's kind of cool. I feel like RoboCop, or, you know, I'm gonna... Do you know why I pulled you over? I feel like a cop or something with this crazy helmet. But my wife's got a modular. I've been kind of wanting one. It would be kind of nice to like add stops, because we don't have the any communication. She's got a Cardo. I might get a Cardo. But right now it'd be nice to be able to flip this up and like turn and talk to her. Just because right now, you know, even with that down and this up, it's still very hard to talk to somebody, at least in my current helmet. But yeah, I mean, you don't get anything super frilly. Honestly, was kind of hoping for some more stickers. I don't think I saw any. Yeah, that kind of sucks. I mean, it's an expensive helmet. It'd be nice to get a sticker. Alright, well, the GoPro battery died. I have it on this little tripod thing that you can plug into, and it shouldn't have died, but I guess it stopped charging. I don't know. But I don't want to redo this video because I pulled the sticker off, and legitimately, I haven't opened this since my actual birthday. I put it on once, you know, looked at it, and I put it back because I knew I wanted to make this video. So even though editing's going to be a little rough and it's just going to cut and go to this, I want to be genuine with it. So this is my like real first impressions, besides, you know, opening on my birthday. But I'm happy with it. Can't wait to wear it. It'll be my first modular, so that's going to be nice. Honestly, I'm in need of a new helmet. My old one is been around the block. So the plan is to maybe wear this like once or twice and try and set up the GoPro on it and do like a first impressions video and see if it, you know, the luster is there and everything is to my liking, and then possibly do like a 1-year review, see if, you know, it starts rattling apart after wearing it for a while. So we'll see how that goes. And then plus, I have a Biltwell lane splitter that I've had for 5 years and put tens of thousands of miles on. I'll do a full review of that helmet also. So if you're interested in any of those, subscribe. But yeah, we're going to keep this one a little simple and sweet because it's the first impressions. Comment down below, do you have a helmet like this? Are you wanting a helmet like this? What do you wear? What do you like? Like this video if you don't mind. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And as always, keep it wretched.